How to lock profiles on Netflix. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can lock profiles on Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to basically lock profiles on Netflix, all you have to do is open up the Netflix application here, and once you launch the Netflix app you will see this type of interface. So here you can see some of the profiles are locked, and if you also want to lock one of these profiles, previously we had to do it from a browser, but now with the ease of access we can do this from the app. All you have to do is just tap the edit or the pencil like icon from the top right hand side of the screen here, and after you have done that you will be able to see a list of the profiles. So depending upon which profile you want to lock, select that profile here. Here you can see profile lock option. Tap on profile lock, then tap on create profile lock. Just enter your Netflix account's password first of all. Once you enter the password, tap on the enter option, then you have to choose a lock or the pin that you would like to use. This way you can lock in Netflix profile. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.